Okay, so I've been watching a lot of Antonia Garza videos, and I've been really liking her style of video. Not exactly editing, but kind of like doing her face without explaining to you what exactly she's doing. So I'm gonna do that today. I'm just gonna tell a lot of stories, and I mean, I'll tell you what I did because my face has been flawless lately, and I want to show y'all kind of like why. Actually, let's start from the very beginning. Washed my face, and then I used Witch Hazel as toner. And while it's still wet, I usually put this stuff on. It's Age Intervention Duality by Jan Marini. I got this from a facialist. So she was like, it's great for combinations, you know. I was like, all right, bet. So then I used this Pore Professionals primer. It's like my favorite primer. I bought the $32 bottle. I usually just buy like the sample sizes or the small ones. But this has been so great. I bought a big one, so I did cuts because it felt like the day, you know what I'm saying? I felt edgy. Now we're gonna do my eyes. I don't usually do my eyes super dramatic for work, but I am today because I have an hour before I have to be at work, and I can get things done in an hour. I'm using this NARS concealer in Dark 1 Cafe. I really like this stuff. This is like my only NARS product because NARS usually breaks me out, but like whatever, we don't care about clear skin. All my beauty blenders are dirty except for one. This is my Pride and Joy. This is my, oh, she's dirty too. I got this one from the dollar makeup store in Grapevine. I forget what it's called. Miss A. I got this one from Miss A, and it was like $2. This restored my faith in beauty blenders because I used to buy all these cheap beauty blenders that were really hard and always soaked up my makeup, and I'm just like, okay, beauty blenders don't work. I didn't know how to use them. I damped them. I squeezed them I kneaded them so that they were like softer. They just didn't work. So I bought this one as like a last resort, last chance, and it worked. So this is like my favorite beauty blender. She's so beaten up and torn up. I've washed her 50 million times now, but she gets the job done. So I have a wig on. My first time trying a wig. It's like my favorite. So my eyes are primed. I primed my eyes with concealer. Forgot to say that. Now we're gonna powder them. I'm pretty faithful to my brands. Like, I'm usually very wishy-washy, very flip-floppy. I usually try different things out all of the freaking time, you know, as far as like people that do my eyebrows, which is probably why they're so effed up. People who do my nails, you know, I usually am not very picky, but as far as makeup is concerned, makeup artists, YouTube artists, the makeup that I use, I'm pretty faithful to them. So like, I watch Antonia Garza regularly. I watch Tiffany J regularly. Those are the only two makeup artists I really watch regularly. I mean, I've started watching Alyssa Ashley a little bit more. Like, I'm subscribed to all these YouTubers. Oh, there's this one, Latina Beauty. I watch her all the time. I mean, she's pretty cool. I like her because she gets to the point. She has like 3-minute videos, and that's what I like. I don't like watching 50-minute videos of people explaining everything, which is probably what you're gonna watch with me, so sorry about it. So I saw Jackie Aina do this look. That's another YouTuber I watch semi-regularly. I kind of put her down, pick her up, put her down, pick her up as time goes on. But Jackie, I watched her video like the other day. That's the person I take the most inspiration from, is Jackie Aina. Whenever I actually do and execute a look, it's usually a look that Jackie Aina created and I'm kind of following or recreating. So I'm taking the soft lid palette, oh Jesus Christ, and dipping into sienna. And now it's story time again. I am going to work in about an hour. I told y'all that. Now I'm a waitress. I love waitressing. Waitressing is like my favorite thing on earth. I love talking to people. I love the rush, especially because like if you're a waitress, you know that there is a huge rush in waitressing. You know, you get double sat, triple sat, quadruple sat, and you're nearly about to cry, but when you get through it, it's like, oh, I did that. Captain Marvel right here. People get hangry, you know? Before they get their food, they're like, give me this and get it out fast. There are people that come in on a Friday night when there's a wait line out of the door to get food and ask to get their food in 20 minutes so that they can catch a movie. You know how restaurants work. I don't think you know. I mean, if you have a retail job, you don't know how restaurants work. That table is your tips. So, first of all, turning away a table means bye-bye tips. Second of all, turning away a table is like a no-no. Turning away a customer in any industry is a no-no. So you can't just say, no, I can't get your food out in 30 minutes. You have to say, yeah, I can do it as fast as possible. So, yeah, I can do it as fast as possible. But the amount of people that take to-goes in my section because they're trying to catch a movie is ridiculous. Like, I don't think they've caught on that you're not going to be able to catch a movie in 20 minutes if you come to a restaurant on Friday night. It just won't happen, sweetie. Oh yeah, I'm going into Mulberry in the Soft Glam palette. But tip your servers 2019. That's all I have to say to you. If you don't tip your servers, you're a horrible person that deserves nothing in this world, and I hope you get hit by a truck. But if you do tip your servers, come my way, sweetie. I'm probably not going to be at that job for very long because, one, I'm having kind of like a I'm not going to say midlife because I'm not 50 or 40 or whatever my mid-year is, but I'm having a mid-teen crisis. I had 3 jobs while I was in school, and so I'm doing great things. But yeah, I know which colleges I want to go to, but I don't have the drive and, well, mental stability to enroll. Boys are poopy. That's all I have for you. If you are younger than me watching my videos right now, all I have to say to you is boys are poopy and don't ever date. It's a trap. It's a trap. I'm not saying all boys are poopy because there are some boys that are like super nice, super cute, you know? If you find that super nice, super cute, super like attentive boy, send him my way and then find your own. Most boys, a lot of boys, the majority of boys are poopy, and for no reason too. They're just annoying. It's like, I'm so tired. I'm tired of boys. Jesus Christ. I'm like attracted to the most toxic people on the planet. But I really like this boy. Now it's time to do my face. Okay, so next what I do is I highlight my face, and I tried my very best to hop on the Tarte Shape Tape wave, the Makeup Revolution, Tarte, what is it, dupe wave. I tried. You cannot hate me for trying. But it's so dry. It's so freaking dry. I have oily skin. I love dry, but I hate so dry that when I go in to freaking blend it, it's already stuck to my face. Can't do it, don't want it. So I'm staying with what I know and what is cheap. Then I use my beauty blender. I don't date my beauty blender. I just don't. I use the Fenty Espresso Matchstick. This is like my favorite way to contour. I was kind of playing around with my makeup. Didn't really know how to contour because I only highlighted for a long time. Now I contour one way and one way only. This is for like literally everything I do. Depending on the look, I might go heavier, I might go lighter, but this is what I do. For my nose, I do the regular nose contour. And then I just keep that for a while because whatever. This is like the best way to contour to me. Like, I feel like I'm about to put y'all on. And then I get, it can be a flat butt brush. I use a dome brush just because I feel like I can maneuver it better with a dome brush. I get the matchstick and I warm it up on my hand. Okay, warm this up on my hand, and I get some of this up top with the brush and I contour. It's like more like bronzing than contouring, but like it gives you that dimension that you need. You can dip into your hand as well and just contour the hell out of yourself. Going with the concealer, and I use like the lightest bit and just kind of go down my nose, and then I button it myself. I don't bake. I'm sorry. don't hop on my head. I'm sorry, I don't feel the need to bake. I don't get flashback as is with this whole method that I use. So, sorry, not sorry. I go on with my Cover FX setting powder. Oh, I was about to blow that. That was a bad idea. And I use kind of like a big brush like this. And this is the most, what is it? Baking I'm gonna do. I'll go in all my highlighted areas. Going on my forehead. On my chin. And then I use the access to kind of like set the rest of my face. Sorry if you have any questions, complaints, or concerns because I'm not answering them. Then I've been really into blushing lately. Like, I love looking red. I want to use a NARS blush because this is like the only blush that I have, and it's not amazing. It's kind of patchy, but like it gets the job done. So I finished the look and figured I'd just tell y'all what I did. I did the mascara, like I said, and then I used these lashes, the INV 3D lashes in KPE I111. Yeah, and then I used the blue color from the Afrique palette and put it under my eyes. And then I used the blue from the Masquerade palette and put it in the corner of my eyes. And then I used the blue from the highlighting kit, the Anastasia highlighting kit, and put it in the corner of my eye. Oh yeah, also another little trick that I do, it's a pretty well-known trick. I put some black eyeliner in between my lash and the corners so that it looks kind of blended together, I guess. Thank you so much, Halos, for watching my video. I hope you really liked getting this blue look that I did right here. If you really did, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't, don't dislike, just like leave. I don't want dislikes. I don't need that negativity in my life. Don't need your bad vibes. So other than that, yeah. I'll see y'all later.